Hi guys, welcome to this week's video. As you can tell, is another makeup look. I managed to get tickets to see Marina'S Froot Albert Hall in May, which is super exciting, and I got VIP tickets, which is insane, and she's my absolute queen. I love her so much. I'm like a hardcore stan, and on the day I got the tickets to celebrate, I decided to do the Fruit logo colours on my eyes, and one of my friends on Instagram requested me to do a video and show you guys how to recreate it, and that's what I'm here to do today. So here's the album cover, really pretty, she looks stunning, and I've literally just got similar red lip I think, and the eyes I've done are the logo colours for Fruit. So without further ado, if you guys want to know how to create this stunning look, which is my absolute favourite thing in the universe right now, then carry on watching. PS is the background music because I like ramble on about everything and nothing when I do makeup videos, and I think it's a bit boring for you guys, so yeah, hope you don't mind. To get the look, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe and hit notification bell below to get updates next upload. If you are a Marina stan like me, do a comment below, let me know what your favourite song from her upcoming album Love and Fear is. And I can't speak, I always trip my words. To be honest, I haven't filmed a video in like 2 weeks because I'm pretty scheduled with things. Anyway, have a great weekend and I will see you next week for another video. Goodbye!